This is Dr. Benzinger on Health with secondopinion.org. Today's session is covering folic acid, something called folacin. It's a member of the B-complex family. We want to cover what a vitamin is. It's important to realize what a vitamin is and why it's so important so that you get a really clear idea of why you need to pay attention to this and start sharing it with family and friends. A vitamin is an organic substance that is vital for life. Vital. It's a majority of the vitamins cannot be synthesized in the body, so thus the diet or supplementation must supply the needed vitamin. Okay? So the bottom line is, it almost has to be there. And lots have been written on folic acid. And let me tell you, our Surgeon General has been very aggressive about the idea that folic acid needs to be in the diet in much greater amounts than we have gotten in the past, and is looking at all kinds of things. In fact, in 1996, we started supplementing more of it in our food sources, and some would say that heart disease has improved solely because folic acid is part of that. We know the spina bifida and many other things that we're going to cover later. It's a big deal. Folic acid is big. We know with pregnancy, it's a big deal. Okay? In front of you, you should see kind of a picture of natural versus synthetic. And if you look on the left-hand side, we're just going to cover one thing. It says ascorbic acid, and below it says natural vitamin C. Look at the color difference. What do you think that is? Top one is pure ascorbic acid that is a highly synthesized form of vitamin C, but not the total vitamin C, just part of the vitamin C, one that they considered as active. Well, the truth is, vitamin C has several other forms of bioflavonoids, rutin, hesperin, as well as the ascorbic acid, which is below you, called a natural vitamin C. Look at the color difference. Richer, looks healthier, something I would rather have in my body than the synthetic plain Jane nutrient, because there's lots of things that are missing in this area. In fact, when we cover synthetic versus natural forms, most forms of vitamins are processed out of their natural form. It is very important to take this nutrient with other synergistic nutrients that make it work the best. Without the synergistic nutrients included in your body uses those reserves and may create another deficiency than the element that you're taking. In other words, you're trying to do a good thing, but because you're taking a very, very cheap, poorly made form, you create other synergistic deficiencies that create the same type symptoms. So when we look at the point of view, do